Hello, first graders! Okay, this is the review video to get ready for your first partial exam. Yes, guys, you see, you made it through here. Okay, applause and a hug for you. And I'm going to try to do it fast so you don't get bored because you already see this information. So on your marks, get set, ready, go. Okay, look at all the information that you know now. Okay, the first word is set. What is a set? Set is a group of things that should go together for some reason. You made a set with your toys, remember? Okay, now I have a set of bananas, a set of pizza, a set of apples, a set of bananas, a set of pizza, and a set of apples. Okay, that's a set. You made a set of toys, cars or dolls or stuffed animals. So you understand the meaning of set, right? I have a set of markers here. Okay, the next, more, less. Okay, more, less, more, less, more, big like an elephant, small like a mosquito. Okay, which set has less apples, bananas, or pizza? Less, like a mosquito. Less, less. Yes, pizza has less. Which one has more? Big like an elephant. More. Yes, this one has more. Perfect, easy, right? Okay. More, less. Now, the next thing that we are going to review is how to add. Okay? And I am going to take away my bananas and I am going to take away my pizzas. And I'm going to work with my apples. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's add. What do you need to add? Remember, you need a beautiful, what's this? Plus symbol. Very good. Plus. So, this is, let's count the apples first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. I'm going to use this one because I like it. It's beautiful, a beautiful plus. Plus, how many apples? 1. Okay, this is telling me that you have to put them together. So, how many do I have in all? 5 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples. 6 apples. Get it? Okay, let's do another one. And you have to remember that the answer of an addition is called sum. Sum. Okay? So, let's add Let's see how many apples I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 6 is one of my add-ins, and I am going to add 2 more. This is another add-in, add-in from add-in equals 6 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8. And how do you call the answer? You call it sum. You call it sum. Addend, sum. Plus. And this one here, equals. Okay, so I am going to use addition to remember what an equation is. What's an equation? An equation is a math sentence. Math sentence. Okay. This is a math sentence, and now you can read it. 6 plus 2 equals, the answer of the addition is called sum, 8. What does this mean? That if you put a 6 and a 2 together, look, 6 and 2 together, is the same as saying 8. If I put 6 apples and 2, how many do I have? I will have 8. So, this means the same, and this means that you're going to put them together, and that is an equation. And let me move this a little bit. What's the number of the answer of an addition? Sum. Okay. Is this an addition? Is that an addition? No. Is that an equation? No. Why? Because I need this one. That tells me the same, and I will need an answer. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay. That is an equation. That is an equation. Okay? This is not an equation. That's just numbers. Like any other sentence, you have to have a beginning and you have to have an end. Okay? There. Okay, now, do you know how to write the numbers from 1 to 20? You should by now, first graders. So, let's review them because you even have a song, right? Okay, so 1, O-N-E, remember. O, you close your eyes, 1, O-N-E. That's how you learn to spell, and that's how you learn to write. 2, 3, not tree. Not tree. That's a tree. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Not 9. 10. Okay, think I can put one more before I erase. 11. One more, and that's a T. 12. 12. This is a V. 12. I need to erase this. So you have to learn them until 20. 12. What's next? 13. 14. No, 40. 14. 15. Not 50. 15. Look. 15. 16. 17. 'I'm gonna write it again. I'm not gonna be lazy. 18, not 80, 18. 19 and 20. 20, and you're done with the numbers and the number writing. Okay. Get it? What do you have to do? You read it. You read it. Then you close your eyes. You spell it to see if, and then you write it down to see if it's correct. Okay, so you have to learn them until 20. Let's go to the next topic. So it would be from 1 to 20. And I'm going to write it differently because some of you have problems with the 2 and the 6. So from 1 to 20. Okay. You see how much information you have in those big brains of yours? Now, what if I give you this addition? 8 plus 3 equals, and okay, 8 plus 3, but I don't have enough fingers, right? What do? You put the big number in your head. The big number in your head, the big number there is? Yes, 8. 8, and I only, 8, and I only have the small number. 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? Now, there's another thing that I have to tell you. Remember, when you add, it doesn't matter when you add, when it's a plus, where's my plus here? When it's a plus, when you're adding, it doesn't matter how you put the numbers, the answer will be the same. You can put it like this, 3 plus 8, or in your notebook, you can put it like this, 3 plus 8, or 8 plus 3. It's the same answer when you are adding. And I will use my apples, to show you. And I am going to work with easy numbers. 3 plus 2. Jesus Christ. 3 plus 2. Okay? What if I change? You see? My sum is 5. My sum is 5. 2 plus 3, 1, 2, 3 equals 5. Now, what if I put, excuse me, mister, if I put it like this, it would be 3 plus 2, right? My answer would be 5. My sum would be 5. And what if I change the position? It would be, look, 2 plus 3 equals 5. Get it? Okay. Now I need to change. Look, you know all this information. Applause for you. Let's turn the board and let's see what I find here. Okay, I find subtraction, and I am going to erase my board. Do you remember the name of the subtraction answer? Subtraction. The answer of a subtraction is called difference. Difference. And I will be using my apples to subtract. There are different ways of subtracting. One of the ways is crossing out. And my equation, I need to check my equation, it would be 5 minus 2. The first one is crossing out. So what do? I have my apples here and I have to find the difference and I am going to cross out. Read this. Cross out means to put an X. That's it. Okay, so 5 minus 2. Which ones how many do I have to cross out? Yes, 2. So 1, 2. Whoopsie! Okay. I cross out 2. How many do I have left? 3. So my difference is 3. Okay, there's another way. The other way is removing. That means take away. So 5 minus, I'm going to use the same numbers, 5 minus 2. I have to take away how many? 2. 1, 2. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. They're being rebels today. Okay, 3. Get it? Okay, there's another way of subtracting. And that one is using what? The number line. Okay, so I have to find the difference between 5 and 3. So I make my number line, right? Remember, big numbers over there, small numbers over here. I start with 0 and 1, 2, I'm gonna stay on 6. The more you go that way, the bigger the numbers. The more you go that way, the smaller the numbers. Okay? More, less. Okay, I have 3. So if I use my number line, what do I have to do to subtract? Yes, I have to jump back. So I'm here, 5. I'm going to use another color, 5. Minus 3. So I jump back how many spaces? Yes, 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go. That is my difference. And my difference is 2. Ta-da! Get it? All right. You see how smart you are? Woohoo, woohoo. Woohoo, woohoo. And of course, an easy one is using your fingers. But the bigger the number, the less fingers you have, right? So if I say 10 minus 5, well, 10, you can count back, or you just take away 5, and the answer is 5. Okay, me erase. Okay, the next one is think math. Let me see how much time I have left. Okay. Think math. What is that? Using math for solving problems. I don't like the word problems, but I have to use it sometimes. And Jesus, that's a messy desk, right? Let's see. Exercise number 1. I'd rather use the word exercise to solve exercise. Annie has 10 apples. And she gave you 3 apples. How many are left? Okay? You have to think, what do I have to do? Do I have to add, put together, or subtract? There's a way of knowing if it's subtract. How many are left? Annie has 10 and she gave you 3. I gave you 1, 2, 3. You have to add or subtract? Yes, you have to subtract because you're taking away 3 apples. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do another one. And I'm going to use almost the same thing. But the question will be different. Thinking math. Okay, Annie has 3 apples. Give me a second. 3 more. Okay, there you go. Annie has 3 apples, and you give Annie 3 more. how many in all? How many in all? Do I have to add or do I have to subtract? I have to put together the apples or I have to take away some. Annie has 3. You give Annie 3 more. How many in all? In all. Yes, you have to add 3. The equation is 3 plus 3 equals 6. Now Annie has 6 apples. Get it? Okay. And the next one, the next topic is prepositions. Prepositions. You remember? Where? Let me go get my pop-on. The is in front, behind, in front, behind. The hat is in front of me. The hat is behind me. Behind. And the other one is inside, outside. Inside, outside. Hi, Piggy. Candy canes. Inside, outside. Inside, outside. And my set of candies is inside. My set of candies is outside. And the last one, and one of my favorite ones, is called fact family. Fact families. Remember that I told you that addition and subtraction are family? Like, we are family. I got all my sisters and me. Okay. Addition and subtraction are family. They are linked together. And they are linked together. And why is it important that they are linked together? Because this is a link. I love you, subtraction. Addition, I love you, subtraction. Okay? Why are they linked and why is that so important? Because, and I will show you here, remember, there is a whole and there are parts. Okay? This is a whole banana and this is a part of a banana, right? That's a whole, a part, and a part. Get it? Part, 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 and a whole. Okay? So, okay, let's work with another exercise and with another numbers. Okay? First thing I'm going to do is remember, there's a complete whole and then two parts, part and part. And I am going to use number 4. I want easy numbers. I am going to use one part, that's 3, and the other part, that is 1. Okay, let's start working on our fact families. So the first one I am going to do is 3 plus 1 equals a whole, right? 4. Then I'm going to remember that if you put things together, it doesn't matter how you put them together. If you're adding the position or who's first or who's second, doesn't matter. So 1 plus 3 is part of the family 2. It's 4. Now I am going to make a subtraction and I am going to take away one part. Start with my whole because I have to subtract. Minus 3 equals the other part. And if I have my whole and I subtract this part, I will have this one left. Ta-da! And that's it. And you're ready, and you're ready, and you're ready for your test. You're ready for your test? You see? 2 blackboards of pure math information.